Hi children, how are you children? Good morning all of you. I am Srinija, your maths teacher from Shine India School. Okay? In which topics we completed in before classes children? Once revise the topics. Now tens and ones. Tens and ones. And skip count. We completed the odd and even numbers also. 3 topics before classes we completed. Tens and ones, even and odd numbers. And the third one, yesterday's class, skip counting completed. Now today we discuss the new topic. Now today's our topic is rounding off to the nearest 10. Today's our topic is rounding off to the nearest 10. Let us discuss about the topic. Rounding off to the nearest 10. Today's our aim is round off a number to the nearest 10 using a number line. Keyword is round off, R-O-U-N-D, round, O-F-F, off. Rounding off to the nearest 10. Now 10 to 20 numbers we are taking on the number line. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. In this number line, 15 is the midpoint. Steps to round off a number to the nearest 10. First, step 1. Find the tens between which the number lies. And step 2. Mark its position on the number line. And step 3. Round off to the 10. It is closer to the next number. Round off 20 to the nearest 10. In 22 number is lies between 20 and 30. 22 number lies between 20 and 30. Now we have to write the numbers on the number line. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now the midpoint of the number line is 25 is the midpoint. 21, 22, 23 and 24 come before the midpoint of 25. They are round off to 20. Now 26, 27, 28 and 29 come after the midpoint of 25. They are round off to 30. 5 below numbers are nearer to the 10 and 5 above numbers are nearer to the coming 10. Now we move to the next question. Children, second question. Round off 57 to the nearest 10. First you have to observe that number. Which number is there? 57. 57. Which numbers lies between 57 is there? Once you think children. 50 and 60 lies between 57 is there. 50 to 60 lies between 57 is there. 57 is lies between 50 and 60. Now we draw the number line. First start with 50. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Now you have to write the midpoint. Midpoint is in this number line. 55 is the midpoint of the number line. And the given number is 57. 5 below numbers are nearer to the 55 below numbers are nearer to the 50, and 55 and 55 above numbers are nearer to 60. Now our number is 57. That 57 is nearer to 60. Which number? 57 is nearer to 50 or 60, children? 60. 57 is nearer to 60. Now we move to the next question. One more question, children. Once you observe that, round off 35 to the nearest 10. Round off 35 to the nearest 10. Now 35 is lies between, in which numbers lies between 35 is there, children? 30 and 40. 30 and 40 numbers lies between 35 will come. Now draw the number line. 30 to 40 numbers you have to take on the number line. You write that numbers 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now our number is 35. 5 above numbers, 5 and 5 above numbers are nearer to the next 10. Now our number is 35. 35 is nearer to the 40. Rounding off numbers without number line. Rounding off numbers without number line. And the before we write the number line on the, we take the number line and we have to round off the number. Now without number line we have to round off numbers. Now the question is the round of 44 to the nearest 10. Round off 44 to the nearest 10. Can you think, children? First 44. 44 in which numbers lies between 44? 40 and 50 numbers lies between 44 will come. Now 40 is the smaller 10 and 50 is the bigger 10. Smaller 10 is 40 and the bigger 10 is 50. 40 and 50 lies between 44. Now 44, if the digit at the ones place of the number is less than 5, we round it off to the smaller 10. If 5 above number is there, 5 and 5 above number is there, you round off to the bigger 10. Now here 5 below number is there. 4 is 5 below number only. We round off to the smaller 10 only. Here 4 less than 5. So 44 round off to 40. And the next question, round off 76 to the nearest 10. Now first you think, children, 76 number. Which two numbers lies between 76 will come? 70 and 80. Now 5 above number is 6. It is nearer to the 80. It's round off to the 80. Round off 76 to the nearest 10. 70 is the smaller 10 and 80 is the bigger 10. If the digit at the ones place of the number is 5 or greater than 5, we round it off to the bigger 10. Here 6 greater than 5. So 76 round off to 80. Okay children. The next question. Round off 85 to the nearest 10. Can you think children? Round off 85 to the nearest 10. Which two numbers lies between 85 will come? 80 and 90 lies between 85. Now 80 is the smaller 10 and 90 is the bigger 10. Our number is 85. Here is the digit at the ones place is 5. So 85 is round off to 90. 5 and 5 above number is nearest to the bigger 10. 5 to below numbers are nearest to the smaller 10. One more question children. Take the number line on which 44 will lie. 30 to 40 number line is given and 40 to 50 number line is given. You have to write the numbers on the number line. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. But our number is 44. 44 is not there in 30 to 40 in between. Now 40 to 50 in between 44 will come. In the next question, use the number line, mark the numbers and round off each number to the nearest 10. Now given number is 37. You have to draw the number line 30 to 40. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now you have to mark the number, given number 37. 37 is nearer to the 40. 5 above numbers are nearer to the bigger 10. Here in this number line bigger 10 is 40 and the next number is 75. 75 is 70 and 80 lies between 75. You draw the number line and mark the numbers on that number line. And the 5 and 5 above numbers are nearer to the bigger 10. Now the bigger 10 is 80. Now the number is round off to the 80. I will send the worksheet through the WhatsApp. You have to complete the worksheet. If you have any doubts, recorded version also I will send it. Once again you have to watch it and complete the worksheet. In the next class we will discuss the new topic. Bye children.